Okay, here's the whole front wall all framed up. You start off with a 3. Some people do that California corners and stuff. There's our little handy dandy to bend the beam straight. And we'll stand it up probably tomorrow. I don't know. I don't feel like standing it up today. I'd rather have 3 people for the walls too. Although Charlie seems to think we can stand them up ourselves. Probably can. Yeah. Here's plumbing rough in to the septic tank. That's been done. Right here we use flooring. We use Advantech, which is supposed to be lifetime warranted. Their best. And it is supposed to be waterproof. That's one of the reasons I bought it. Real water resistant, so that we don't have to worry about it. Something to note right here is that all of these beams, headers, have to have a 1/2 inch piece of plywood in between to make them come out to the right size. This is our power pedestal. Decided to go this way with the power pedestal because as soon as and here's our trench underground 3 feet, it goes over to that power pole right over there. There he is. That's the mascot dog. Yes, he is. So, and anyway, it goes over to the power pole over there, hooked up. But one of the main reasons that I decided on this configuration here, instead of putting it on the wall on the house, was mainly because as soon as they draw power next week here, we'll get a meter next week. One, I can down here, I can mount myself a little power socket so we can have power out here. And then 2, I wanted to put an RV plug for RVs, and right below here is perfect. You can, put a couple boards or whatever, but you can also easily hook up an RV plug to this, whereas if this panel was in the house, you'd have a hard time doing that, right? So this is what they call a meter main. It's a meter and a main box combination, and we just put it on 4x4s and 2x6s. People put it on poles, the metal poles, but I don't know, that kind of looks ugly to me. So there you go. That's it. Right there, the first 2 sections of walls. First section right here was like $160 in wood, and that one's $140. So basically we have $300 on front wall wood complete, and then we will have 8 hours basically into framing up these 2 parts with the 2 of us. We're pretty novice. Could have probably done it that faster, but it's good.